In the small village of Nnewi, Mama Ada still wakes up before dawn every May 30th. Her back is curved now, her hair silvered by years and sorrow, but her steps towards the small shrine at the edge of her compound remain steady. She carries a single white wrapper, folded neatly, lovingly, one she has never worn, only kept. It belonged to her son, Chike. He was 17 when he left in 1968, cheeks still round with youth, eyes burning with conviction. Mama, we fight so our people will not starve, so our children will not be hunted in their own land, he said, clutching the wrapper she has given him for the journey. He never returned. No grave bears his name, no photograph remains, only this wrapper, found by a Red Cross worker near a burnt-out camp, initials still faintly stitched into the hem. Every year, Mama Ada lays it gently on the earth, lights a candle, and whispers, "You are not forgotten." Around her, others gather, quiet faces, some holding faded photos, some holding nothing at all but memory. They stand in silence, not just for Chike, but for the million souls lost, children, fathers, sisters, friends, who vanished into the smoke of a war their only crime was being born Biafran. On this day, the air carries more than the scent of rain. It carries names, it carries longing, it carries truth. And in remembering, they lived. In memory of Biafran men, women, and children lost between 1967 and 1970, may their stories never be erased. And for this, we'll remember.